Very nice. Hi and welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. Today I will just have a quick look at what's in the box of Unifi UAP-AC-LITE. This access point, I want to take a quick look on what's inside the box. So now, just get started. As you can see, I already tore the tape. So inside here, you get packaging stuff. We don't need that. What we need is coffee. Love it. Okay, let's see. First, we have screws. Yes, very nice. Wall plugs. Put those there. And then we have the POE adapter, I guess. Power injector. Yeah, the POE injector. Very nice. I like the new look of it. It's all white. Packaging. Whoops. Oh, nice. Nice white cable. Look at this one. It's very nice. And mounting bracket for the ceiling. It's like if you have office building and you have like this down-built ceiling. You can use this to get the strength to hold it up. Let's see. More foam. The user manual, quick start guide. Yes. And now the piece de resistance. Unifi is, I think, kinda expensive. They are expensive, but the design is so nice. I guess they get their design inspiration maybe from Apple, and some of the packaging on their maybe more expensive products are even more Apple inspired. Here is also a bracket. I guess you can use this on the one side of the ceiling and this on the other side. Do like this, and then that's very nice. I won't do this here in this office, but there is also one Ethernet plug. So yeah, that's it. That's what's in the box. So thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching, and a really big thank you for smashing the like button. I would really love if you do that. That will help me very much for YouTube to spread the videos to others. So if you can push the like button, that'd be a very nice thing. So until next time, see ya, snakkes, sayonara, ser deg senere. Ha det!